And finally, New Year arrived. We think that everything is going to change and some miracle is going to happen in our life, but nothing changes, and this is the fact. But if you work to make it best, if you plan to make it best, if you work on your resolution, and this year will be the best. More than that, you should have that want, desire, passion, interest to change yourself and to make this year the best year of your life. You will make it the best year. And mainly stop saying I will start tomorrow, I will start Monday, Sunday, Friday. Say I will do it now. This day, this hour, this minute, this second is the perfect time to change and make yourself proud and make your parents feel proud about yourself. And don't take it as motivation, take it as realization. Motivation will last for just 2 minutes, but realization will help you to take the action. So let's get into the video. These are the 5 areas which we have to concentrate in order to have the balance in our life. And the 5 areas are health, body, mind, career, relationships. So these are the 5 areas which we have to concentrate in order to make this year the best year of our life. And I'm not going to say just theory, and I'm going to suggest you some action steps which will help you to implement these things in the real life. So just take a pen and paper and write these things in the book, or just send a message to yourself these things. And the first area is health, because health is wealth, right? If you have a good job and you are earning great, but if you have a disease like sugar or diabetics, you can't even buy a single rupee chocolate. And it was a disaster for food lovers, right? And it is very, very important to stay healthy, especially in this 21st century. And everyone thinks that staying healthy is just eating healthy, but it's just 50%. The remaining 50% is not eating unhealthy. See, our bodies are designed very healthy by its own nature, but we are making it unhealthy by this unhealthy food. But the fact is that we can't avoid this junk food. We are so addicted to this. So that is where our action plan comes into picture. And the action step is, we can't avoid junk food, right? But we can manage, right? Try to eat healthy for 6 days and eat whatever you want on Sunday. So this is what I personally do, and this is what I have been doing from the past 1 year. I will just eat healthy food in the weekdays and I will eat like nothing else on Sunday. So from now, you should only eat healthy food in the weekdays and not allowed to eat junk food, and you can only allowed to eat junk food in the Sundays. Okay? And the next one is body. See, our bodies are designed to move, and exercise is very, very important for our bodies. Start to involve in activities like walking, jogging, running, exercise, gym, and you can just play games with your friends. This will be the best option. You will enjoy a lot by playing games, and games involve a lot of physical activity. And one main thing is, if you are starting to do exercise, just love the exercise and feel the exercises which you are doing, because if you love to do, you will always be consistent on doing exercise. So the action step is, just select a physical activity which you are going to involve. It can be exercise, running, gym, so games, anything. So just select a physical activity and make a rule that you have to perform this physical activity for 4 times a week, and it's time to change. And the next one is mind. See, our destiny is based on our actions are based on our thoughts are based on the content which we consume. If you observe that the content which you consume have the direct impact on our destiny. So please make sure the content which you are consuming, and be cautious about it, and introduce your mind to many things like concentrating on self-improvement, reading books, and start listening to podcasts and feeling the nature. And we all think that in order to feel the nature we have to go Araku, Himalayas and these places, but that's wrong. Nature is everywhere. It can be a tree beside your house, it can be a small mountain beside your village, and nature is everywhere, but we don't observe it. So try to do a dopamine detox or social media detox, which will help you to avoid the social media. If you can't avoid the social media, just remove the notifications for the social media apps and start following the content which will help you to improve yourself. And career. See, I'm not going to say that work hard for the exams which you are not actually interested, but I will say one thing: find your passion. See, if you find your passion and if you find the thing which you love to do, you don't even feel hard when you are doing it. And I think that I don't want to say more about this career, and we know that the importance of career in our life, right? So I will just go to directly action step. And the action step is, if you have a goal, then dedicate this entire year for your goal. And I dedicated this entire year for this YouTube, and I'm going to make 100 videos, and this is my challenge. And it's time to follow your passion and dedicate this entire year for your passion. If you have a passion and if you have fear to start it, then just dedicate this 1 year and just see the miracles. And if you don't have passion, then start with one thing, and that one thing will help you to reach your passion. The next one is relationships. Spending our time with our loved ones is very important, right? Because they are the ones who are going to be with us at every time. And here the relationship is not just between a girl and boy. You have a relationship with your father, you have a relationship with your mother, and you have a relationship with your friends, family, and many more people, right? We should try to spend some time on this relationship because it is very important to have this relationship, and these are the people who are going to stay with us till our death, right? Isn't it? So it is the fact. So try to spend some time with your loved ones. And here the action step is, so just think about who you love the most and make a call to them and speak to them. And I'm going to call my mother, but it's early morning, she will be sleeping, but I will call her later and I will definitely talk to her. And make a promise that you'll spend small amount of time on this relationship every day. Remember one thing, everyone watching this video wants a good life, but only some people will succeed in that because they work. If you want to make this year the best year of your life, then change right now.